The next topic is grouping. Grouping objects. When there are multiple objects on the artboard that you need to move as a whole, you can group them instead of selecting each of the object every time you wish to move them. To group multiple objects, let's do the following. First, select all the objects that you want to group together. This can be done in two ways. You can select the object you want to group by hold down the Shift key and click on each object using the selection tool. Shift, select, select. And the second way is starting in an empty space on the page. Click and drag the mouse outward, creating a marquee box around all the objects you want to select. Here. Then, choose Object and select Group. If you click over the newly grouped objects with the selection tool, you will notice that they are bound together as a one large object. You can drag it as a group. To ungroup this object, click the Group Objects here. Then choose Objects again. Then click Ungroup or Control Shift G. Here. One by one, dragging.